CA 3TB AppLogic is a turnkey cloud computing platform that increases the efficiency of your resources while providing a way for you to drive new revenue-generating services to market quickly. Designed for MSPs, CA 3TB AppLogic enables you to achieve far greater agility, scalability, and cost efficiency in cloud computing than previously possible. As a complete business service optimization solution, you'll be able to quickly compose new services and, through an integrated virtualization and management stack, deploy, operate, and manage these composite services in the cloud. In this use case, we'll be working in a virtual data center to compose and deploy an application and then redeploy it worldwide. With a virtual data center, there's no need to physically pull routers, switches, and servers. Instead, we create our applications in the visual editor by dragging and dropping components from a standard catalog of firewalls, VPNs, databases, and web servers. Once we have our components, we are going to network them together by simply telling the system what we want. This means that every time we deploy an application, it is deployed perfectly without forgetting steps such as creating a subnet in the router. After creating our networking, we configure our components. We're able to give resources to individual components such as memory, CPU, and bandwidth. We then create a volume. In this case, it's a code volume to put our data on. Now, we assign that to the web server and our application is complete. We can now do something that is very unique. We can configure the application as a whole, not having to deal with all the individual resources within that application, thus creating a virtual business service in a single object. We can actually start this application without knowing anything about what's inside. It's so seamless that it starts perfectly every single time. No one can make a configuration error. Now that we have started our application, we can open it up and log into one of the components where we are able to set up alarm monitoring. Because our application, or complete virtual business service, is packaged so well and virtualized completely from the data center, we are able to easily move the application from one data center to another. And I don't mean one piece of software. I mean entire systems that could take up hundreds of servers. We simply provide a few new IP addresses to tell the new grid where the application exists. Here, we are getting it from a Dallas data center and moving it to the Netherlands. CA 3TB AppLogic will make a secure handshake and then actually move all the data in this application. When our application gets to the Netherlands, it runs perfectly. CA 3TB AppLogic provides agility in composing, deploying, managing, and monitoring business service applications. This means that you can gain the agility your business needs to get new solutions to market fast while reducing management time and costs. To learn more about CA 3TB AppLogic, contact us today